Hey y'all, hey, my name's Catherine. I'm a beauty influencer with Farmasi. If I can get my thing to get situated the right way that I want it, we'll be good to go. All right, so I'm going to show you a quick, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes top. May not be that long. Eyes and your lips. That's it. And what I'm using today, I just got these. It's our liquid eyeliner. That's a product. Look how beautiful that packaging is. And this is the Hawaiian Bronze. I love it. Look at that. I don't know if it's going to focus. How beautiful is that? It's very beautiful. Then I just recently got the terracotta highlighting powder. Y'all, I love it. I love it. And my most favorite highlighting powder is out of the Peach Bot palette, which you can't really see much, but that's been my favorite. I use that constantly. But this palette, or this powder, if I can get it, is so beautiful. Look at that. Anyways, let's keep it hot. Let's keep moving. I'm also going to be using the Optimal Style Volume Lash Curve Mascara. I just recently got this as well. Look at that wand. All right. I'm going to be using, making a mess, being loud, my eye primer. I'm also going to use my concealer stick on my eyes as well. That's like ivory. I got to use these to curl my lashes. I'm going to mix the Optimal Style with the length on the double lash. And for my lips, I was thinking Nude Essence with either Nude Flirt or Miss Priss. I don't know which. I think that's Bubblegum. I can't remember the name. That's bad. That is bad. All right. Now that I've already taken up 2.5 minutes of our time, let's get started. So first, I'm going to take my concealer stick. And my mirror's behind my phone, so y'all bear with me. I'm going to be looking this way, but trying to show y'all at the same time. And I got something on my stick. All right. And what I do is I just take it and apply it like that. And you're going to hear my dog in the background whining and crying because she wants to go outside. And she's impatient. She waits until I get doing something to let me know she needs to go out. She's not spoiled. Not at all. And I've got to go and do my taxes here in a minute. Yay. All right. Then I just use my fingers to blend it in. You don't have to use the primer if you use this. I don't know. I like also using the primer. And I use more than one finger to blend it in. Want my hands. It does tend to get a little bit messy. But it's all good. It's worth it in the end, right? Make sure you get every part that needs to be covered. The good thing about this brand of makeup, not just because it's affordable and I'm selling it, okay? Anyways, the durability and the longevity of it is like amazing. Don't you jump up here. Don't you do it, Jericho. No, I'm recording, baby boy. Don't you do it. There's not enough room up there. And here comes my dog. Seeing it, she's jealous. She's like, oh, he's getting attention. I want the attention too. They're all jealous of each other, and they don't have any reason to be. How many have pets? More than one, and they do this on a daily. Drop a picture if you'd like. I'd like to see them. And I'll put a picture of mine. I might, if I remember when I post this. All right, now, got those two down. Next, I'm gonna take the wine bronze, and I'm gonna do one eye at a time. I'm not using any other color for transition. Hey, get down, baby. You see what I'm talking about? You see. All right, I'm not going to use a transition color. I'm only using the wine bronze. And because I've got hooded eyes, I'll bring it up just a little bit more. I'm trying to make it all even. You can either blend with your finger or blend with a brush. I'm going to use a brush. I'm going to clean my brush. And I just dab it in. There is no wrong or right way to put makeup on. I would have almost been done if I hadn't been talking too much. Look at that color. All right, I think I got it where I want it. And the good thing about this, it's not gonna go anywhere. Trust me. I accidentally slept in the other night. Put it on, forgot to take it off, woke up the next morning, and it still looked flawless. I was surprised. Because most makeup, when you sleep in it, it kind of, you know, makes a mess all over your face. Not Farmasi. No. Once it's on, y'all. All right. There's that. Ooh la la. All right, I'm crazy. I'm gonna use my curling. Everything I'm using, excluding the brushes, are Farmasi. Just throwing it out there. Express waterproof black eyeliner. You sharpen these. This is like, I love this stuff. Because my eyes will water while I'm putting this on. But it doesn't come off. And I just like made a mess with it. And my makeup wipes are not in here, of course. I've got them in the bathroom. Great place for them, cat. Hold on, I'm gonna pause it. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just lined the other one. I fixed this one. Now I'm gonna tight line the top. This is where my eyes start watering, y'all. It tickles. See it watering? I'm trying not to get in the camera view with my arm. All right, optimal. Let me draw it. I keep a towel in my drawer. There we go. And my left shoulder is kind of hurting. I'm trying not to use it too much, but I can at least like keep it straight and do it like this. If I move it out, I'm in constant pain, y'all. It sucks. I've got a tore rotator cuff. Lucky me. That's why you see me kind of like moving to my arm, to my hand. Okay, if you mess up, let it dry. And take a Q-tip, something, and you can get it off. I don't know if I've got anything in here. I did, and I don't know what happened to my little spoolie thing. I gotta organize this better. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my little spoolie. Let's see if I can do it with this. Somewhat better. It is what it is. And I have messed up my mascara. I mean my eyeliner. I'm gonna have to fix it. I rubbed it or something. I think I done it with my towel. Okay, we're at 11 minutes. But it wouldn't take this long if I was just doing it. I'm trying to like talk and give y'all all the information that y'all need. Look at those lashes. Yes, I know I got mess ups. It's all good. I'll fix them before I leave. I'm trying to keep this under 15 minutes. I don't think it's gonna work. I can always speed some parts up, I guess. If I don't know how to do it, I'll learn it. I'm bad at graphics and anything computer related. All right, the length. Now, 203, or no, 03 Nude Essence. And I forgot the highlight, and I got it all over my teeth. I'm gonna pause it for a second to fix this. Okay, I just put a little bit of the pink on, and now I'm gonna do the nude flirt. I decided to incorporate both of them. All right, now let's highlight really, really quick. Whoops, I'm making a mess because I'm trying to rush. All right, terracotta. I'll put it up here. Put it in the corners. And I've been lately putting it right here. Right there. Even though I'm wearing a mask, you know, that's all good. Bam. Setting spray, Tom Locker. And there we go, under 15 minutes, y'all. Might have paused it a couple of times to help it, but it's all good. Y'all, please follow me. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. Y'all have a really great day. I will see y'all again. Bye for now.